For question 24, it's a concentration question, a molarity question, right? Molarity is moles per liter. So we have a solution, we have a concentration that is 0.107 moles per liter. That's our concentration and molarity. And we want to find out, right, basically the mass of sodium carbonate that I would have or need to make that concentration of a solution in that volume, right? 146.4 milliliters. So what we should be thinking is, I know I can relate moles to mass, so I have to do something with volume. I have to get rid of volume so that I have moles left. Once I'm left with moles, then, right, so we can go from moles per liter. We want to somehow go from moles per liter to just moles, and then we can use the molar mass to find the mass of that sample we need. So first things first, concentration moles per liter, right? I have to convert my milliliters to liters, so 146.4 milliliters, right? I know for every 1 liter, I've got 1,000 milliliters, so we've got 0.1464 liters of my volume. So I would use that first because that'll get volume to cancel out. So 0.1464 liters, right? Liters cancel, and we're going to get moles of sodium carbonate that I need. So 0.107 times 0.1464, and I get about 0.01566 moles of sodium carbonate that we would have to have in that 146 milliliter solution. Now we can bring in the molar mass because I know for every 1 mole of sodium carbonate, I need to have 105.98 grams. So moles of sodium carbonate cancel out, and we're left with 105.98. I'm going to have to add about 1.66 grams of sodium carbonate to that solution, right? We want the concentration, which is moles per liter. I have to get rid of volume. I want to find out the total number of moles I need to make that concentration. So we multiply by our volume in liters. Once we had moles of sodium carbonate, then we can bring in the molar mass to say, okay, I would have to add, 1.66 grams of sodium carbonate to that solution to make that concentration of sodium carbonate.